Do you think we lost them? I think so. Timothy? That Ravenna. He deserves that. What are you talking about? You were best friends with him. He wanted to do it first. I did this first. I said I want to do it first, but he cheated. Come on, let's go. Hold up a second. Stop. Hide. What are we hiding for? Look. The diesels. They think I possessed them. And don't worry, I know how to handle this. I mean, we... Diesel 10! What in the world's going on? Let me do it in the middle. Why? Look. You guys. What are you doing here? Look. I did make mistakes and all. But I want to say I'm sorry for all the bad things I did to Sodor. I want to build a team, an army. And me, Aiden, and the Phantom Tram thinks that you guys can help us out. You guys? You possessed me, remember? We get it now, and we're sorry. We just want to be all friends. Shall we talk first? About ourselves first? Okay, we'll just wait in this corner. I think this is a good idea. Diesel 10, are you mad? Look, I'm doing this for the best. I want to destroy that puffball. Fine. We can only do it in this one time. Let's do this. Timothy, you can come out now. It's a deal! Great. And I think so too. What the? Who is that? Wait. Is it? No. No. Train Boy 12? Hello, Timothy. How's it going? Long time no see, huh? But that's impossible. You were destroyed in the battle. I was, but then I've been turned into a ghost, which means I am a ghost. So will you all be. Oh, this is a perfect army. So, what do we do now? Come closer, everyone. I have a plan. Thomas, I am coming for you, brother.